So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use App Privacy Report on iOS 18. With iOS 18, you can enable App Privacy Report on your iPhone. So the App Privacy Report will show how often the apps uses the permission you have granted them. So let's see how you can enable and use this report. For this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. After this, scroll down and tap on App Privacy Report. Tap on Turn on App Privacy Report. Now this will enable App Privacy Report and you will see all the permissions here once the app uses them. For example, let's open the camera app. Now let's go back to the settings. Now as you can see here, this mentions the camera app, and if I open it, it shows that it has used microphone, location, camera, photos 37 seconds ago. So this is how you can enable and use App Privacy Report on iOS 18. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.